What's up everyone? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, also known as the Chatty Penpal channel, and I'm here today with a tutorial on how to make a mini accordion folder. Now, it has been quite a while since I uploaded a tutorial, but I hope you're all doing well. I'm also hoping to upload more videos in the upcoming days, or not days but weeks, because I try to upload one every week. But I don't really know if I'm like back in full, or I don't know. I guess we're just gonna figure it out as I go. I might also explain a little bit about why I've been gone, but I don't know if this video has enough space and time for that. So as you can see, we've started with the base of the project. I do have the measurements, but you can totally make this in any measurement you like. So I started by grabbing some brown cardstock, some craft paper cardstock, and creating a mini folder, if you will. I do have the measurements, like I said. I will put them in the description box down below, but it's not that important. I mean, just do whatever measurements you like. And then I'm creating the pockets from some 6x6 paper. Just cut them in half and you have 3x3 pockets. So it's a 6x3 paper, you fold it in half and there you go. And then of course you glue. I'm sorry, Sage is playing. I'm in the living room. Are you okay? What do you have? Uh-oh, gotta intervene. Okay, I'm back. I'm not even gonna cut that out. I mean, it's part of my process by now, the cat interventions. So to make the pocket, it's super simple. You just glue down the sides. And then to create the accordion part, I've said this many times before, but you glue an upside down T, so down the middle and at the bottom. As you can see, upside down T. But because my folder, don't follow along if you have a folder like mine, because I actually end up pulling the bottom loose. So if you have a folder that is a bit thicker like mine, the best thing to do is just to glue them down the middle so that the bottom also has some wiggle room. I don't know if that makes any sense, but as you can see right now, the envelopes or the pockets are all held together at the bottom. And then when you put it into the folder, the outside folder, what you will see is that, okay, I don't know how to explain it, but you will see what I mean in a second, because I glued them together at the bottom, and then you will see me in the end actually pull them loose in just a second. So mine has pastel pockets, but my previous, this is what I meant. Look, that's not good. So I'm just pulling it loose. I mean, peeling them loose. I don't know. I'm a little bit out of practice, okay? It has been so long since I edited a video. It was back in November. When I'm editing this, it is January, so it's been 2 months since I edited or did a voiceover, apart from the Patreon ones. What I'm showing you here is I've just stuffed some tea in them. That is not what I ended up sending out. I was just showing you that you can fit them in there. I don't know, I just thought it looked cute. So that's a project I'm definitely doing in the future, a little accordion folder filled with teas. So that is the size. If you do a 3x3 pocket, a bag of tea will fit in there. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, I did pastel pockets now, but in the previous accordion folders, because if you're new here, I've done a lot. I would always use vintage book pages, or you can use magazine pages. It doesn't really matter. It's just whatever you have laying around. So you don't have to use your fancy paper if you don't want to. You don't even need fancy paper to make this. I just wanted to point that out. So I'm now going to decorate it. It will be a combination of pastel and a little vintagey, because I think that is actually quite nice. So I have some book pages, and then I have some handmade purple paper that I had lying around. It's not, I didn't make it, I just received it. And then a doily, and I'm gonna add some stickers. This is very random, but I keep looking at my nails. I filmed this back in August, and I had it feels so summery because of the nails and right now the nail polish, and right now it's raining all day. I got soaked on my way to work, I got soaked on my way home from work. I long for this winter to be over. I'm so ready for summer. Oh, I forgot to take out my tea bag. I'll just do that in the meantime. So yeah, I'm just decorating. I wanted to add some washi tape, but I always kind of struggle with the busier prints, although I do like them. So I end up adding a really simple, really soft pink. And this blue one, apparently it has been a while since I did this. And the reason why I haven't been able to upload this before is because this mail didn't arrive the first time, because I'm an idiot. The letter of, I hope it has been received by now. I'm not going to spoil the name in case they're watching this, but the letter said, "I'm moving, please email me for my address." So I emailed them, and then the address was put, like, what the email ended up in my spam folder. That came out really weird. Like I said, I'm out of practice. We're just gonna ignore that. The email was in my spam folder, so I kind of forgot about it, and I just sent it to their old address, and then it was returned to me. Luckily, it was returned because they could have just tossed it out. But it was returned to me, and then I contacted the person, and then I was able to hopefully send it to the correct address. What I've been doing here is I have a stencil, and then I'm just putting these distress oxides through the stencil so that you have that cool image. The stencil I used has script on it. It's from AliExpress, but I would not recommend it, as with any item from AliExpress. I've been looking for a cool script stamp because I love script. Like script means handwriting, it looks like handwriting, a stamp or a stencil, but I'm still on the lookout because this one is cute, but it's not exactly right. And the whole reason why I started making this project, I haven't even told you, is because I saw on Instagram stories someone using stickers from, I think this is Deco Time, which is the brand that Action, our dollar store, has. And I remembered I had so many stickers, so the whole reason why I wanted to make a small project was so that I could use the stickers. But then I found that they didn't blend into the project enough because they're so bright white and the rest is a little vintage. So I actually distressed the stickers with some Distress Oxide ink as well. I just used one of those little stamping pads that you see on my finger, and I stamped that onto the paper and onto the sticker, and onto the little tiny word that I had in a tin. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. If you're interested in tiny word printables, you should definitely consider joining my Patreon once it's back online. I don't know if it's back online by the time this video is uploaded, because I don't know when I will upload this video, but I'm currently on a break, not just from YouTube but also from Patreon. But when I return, you can sign up for as little as 1 day. You can unsubscribe after a day if you like, and then you can download my printables and watch my extra videos and join the swaps and sometimes the challenges that we do there, although I haven't done one in a while. Basically, it's a way to support the channel and to get some extra behind the scenes and extra content, blah blah blah. Next thing we're doing is adding an eyelet. This is a crocodile. I absolutely hate that word, but it basically punches a hole and then you can put the eyelet in. And even though I've had this tool for a while, I always forget which settings you have to put them on. But this is a tiny eyelet for a tiny project, and I thought it was cute. So I'm now showing you all of the goodies that I'm going to put inside. Don't worry, I'm going to put them back a little bit more slowly. I have washi dot stickers, of course, and then I have pet tape from Curated Monotony. I still have a video I have to upload about that. I have a bunch of sticker flakes that go into one of the pockets. I have my business card, or my little hello greeting card, some tags, brown craft paper tags, and these are vintage cutouts that I cut out by hand. And then I'm gonna add in all of these die kits. As you can see, this project is perfect because you can fit in so many goodies. Just gonna take a sip of my tea. You can fit in so many goodies. I did not put the letter in here. I just put it on the back of this project, but I totally could have put it in there. I am gonna show you one last close-up of the project and my summery colored nails. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. I've been away from YouTube for a long time, so a thumbs up, a comment, a share, or a share on Instagram would mean the absolute world to me, because YouTube is not gonna like me after my break. So I hope you've all been well. I will talk to you all again soon, hopefully with a new video, and I wish you a pleasant day. Okay, and my outros are a little rusty as well. Bye!